I recently received a phone call from actually a great friend of mine, and he asked me a question, FHA Home Loans. And I was like, okay, well, that's a broad question, but let me give you some overview of FHA. And I told him, well, FHA was established back in 1934 in the Great Depression. I go, but ultimately what FHA is it's a great first-time homebuyer tool. And I was telling my friend Dennis, I said, listen, Dennis, why exactly are you asking about FHA home loans? And he said, well, I have a specific question. He says, my son, he's getting ready to get married, and instead of giving him some vacation, trip or whatnot for for the bridal gift or the marriage gift, he says, I'd like to give him a down payment for a home. And I said, well, actually, that's a great idea. I said, FHA actually allows that. And he went on to ask me, but I'm also concerned that my son might not be able to qualify because he's been jumping around jobs for the last 2 years. He's a young guy and hasn't really found exactly what he wants to do. But when he told me the story, I said, actually, don't worry. We can cover 2 years of employment, and as long as there's not a gap in his employment, we basically just average his income. And as long as they qualify and the debt-to-income ratios are in line, he can still qualify for an FHA loan. And he was very excited about that. And that's one of the things here that we get all kinds of scenarios here at Lender Funnel. Everybody's situation is different. We hardly ever get two scenarios that are the same. And those were some of the things that he felt very excited about, that his son, who's venturing into getting married, he can actually get into a home, be a homeowner, and start to build equity and have something for himself here later on when he has a family. So those are some of the things about FHA loans that are key, and oftentimes when homeowners or prospective homeowners find out that you could have less than perfect credit, you could have a gifted down payment, they find out that the down payment requirements are very low. Oftentimes 0 to 3.5 can get you into an FHA loan. People start to get excited, and that's basically what we're here for. We're here to answer your questions, answer your scenario, get involved with you, and share all the information that you need to help you make decisions. So again, thank you for joining us here at Lender Funnel. A lot of the questions that you may have can be answered at lenderfunnel.com, or give us a call. That's always a great way to communicate. We can answer all your questions, and remember, we're here for you. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you soon.